Good afternoon and a very spotty welcome to our Excellence Assembly on Friday the 13th of November 2020. It's been great to see all the children today dressed in their pyjamas as we celebrate BBC's Children in Need. Thank you very much for the donations that you kindly gave this morning. We'll leave the money over the weekend just to settle before we count it on Monday. Next Friday we'll let you know just how much we raised and we'll pass all that money on to the very worthwhile cause which is Children in Need. Our Excellence Assembly is our chance to celebrate our brilliant children in the school. Each week we give out a couple of certificates, as you know, just for those that have gone above and beyond in the week and really shone in their own personal excellence. As always, we'll start in our very youngest children's class, that's Bumblebees. They've been in school now for just 10 weeks, but have already felt like they are part of our school and have been doing really exciting learning. They've moved on from their dinosaur topic now, and this week the Polar Express pulled up for the very first time. The first award for this week is given to William for sharing his fantastic ideas with the class and for always having a smile on his face. The team in Bumblebees are so proud of how well you're doing with your number work, so keep it up, William. That comes from Mrs. Osborne and Miss Finn. The second award this week is for Owen, who's been playing beautifully with his friends and for trying really hard when learning new sounds this week. We're so proud of you and how you always try your best. Owen, keep up the fantastic learning, from Mrs. Osborne and Miss Finn. Now we're moving to our class, which are Year 1 and 2 children. They've moved on from the excitement of the bonfire night last week, and I did hear a couple of mentions of Christmas, which is just 42 sleeps away now. The first award of this week goes to Orion for always having interesting and exciting ideas to share with the class. You listen carefully and put your own spin on tasks that are set, and the team love to see the individuality shine through. You embrace the challenges of being in Year 1 and have produced some lovely pieces of learning. The team is so proud of your confidence in maths. Many times you've come to the front to answer a question. So a big well done to you, Orion, from Mrs. Green, Mrs. Moss, Mrs. Grace and Miss Hoogan. Second award of the week in our class is for Phoebe Jane for her tireless dedication to her learning. You always listen carefully and try your hardest, no matter what the lesson entails. You take pride in the formation of your letters, and the quality and quantity of your written work improves each and every day. Your conscientious attitude is evident in all your learning. You're also kind to your friends and all of those around you, offering to help whenever you can. Your team are really very, very proud of you, Phoebe Jane. So well done from Mrs. Green, Mrs. Moss, Mrs. Grace and Miss Hoogan. Now moving into Dear Class this week. The first award is for Charlie for excellent learning in French so far this term. You've joined in enthusiastically each lesson and have been confident in pronouncing French words in front of the class. You have done really well to remember some animal names, and we've practiced so far this term, as well as the vocabulary from our earlier learning on colours, numbers and greeting. So très bien, Charlie, well done and keep it up. That comes from Mr. Cook and Miss Simpson. The second award in Dear Class is for Amelia for always demonstrating excellent manners and kindness around the school. You are friendly towards all of your classmates and are very helpful towards adults too. You can always be relied upon to do jobs in class, treating school property with respect and acting sensibly at all times. You regularly offer to do things for other people, which is lovely to see. So well done, Amelia. Thank you for all of that and keep it up from Miss Simpson and Mr. Cook. Moving into Otter class this week, who have been practicing their persuasive language in the dinner hall. The first award of the week is for Sadie for showing amazing dedication and enthusiasm. Sadie has thrown herself into her work recently since we returned to school in September. She always brings positivity to our lessons and is ready to share what she knows. The team love seeing her strive to complete the trickiest of challenges with all the effort. This week she took this energy home and came back with the beginnings of a family tree to help with our new history topic. You're going to have another great term ahead, Sadie, so well done from Mrs. Solomon and Miss Mexter. Second award this week in Otter class is for Florence for becoming a great member of the Otter clan. In September, a quiet girl was welcomed to our very friendly pack of otters. You spent time observing others to understand how things work here at Bethersden, and now in your second term, you're beginning to gain in confidence. You join in with games at playtime and are helpful all around the classroom. You've been a great addition to our Otter class, Florence, so well done. We know you'll continue to have a fun time at Bethersden. That comes from Mrs. Solomon and Miss Mexter. Moving into Badger class this week. Our first award this week is for Harry. What a great day in that household today. For working to a consistently high standard in maths, demonstrating secure knowledge of place value, addition and subtraction. This is becoming evident in your explanations, using mathematical language effectively. Well done, Harry, from Miss Bennett and Mrs. Smith. Second award this week is for Rudy for your valuable contributions in the science lessons. Your natural inquiring mind combined with enthusiasm for the subject has allowed you to make careful predictions and interpret results using evidence. So well done to you from Miss Bennett and Mrs. Smith. Fox class this week have had a very busy week representing the school. I'd like to thank them for taking the time out on Wednesday on Remembrance Day to attend the memorial in the village and to do the role of honour for the falling of Bethersden. You represented the school brilliantly and we're very grateful for you. This week's award though is for Caitlin for her positive approach to all of her studies, her contribution to all lessons and the support she gives to her classmates. Caitlin, you've always shown yourself to be a mature and sensible student who can apply yourself to any task. You can ask thoughtful and intelligent questions and above all have compassion for your fellow students in class. A big well done to you from Mr. Clark and Mrs. Taylor. Now, birthdays this week. Lola, you celebrated your 10th birthday early this week. Shelby, happy birthday for today to you as you turn 7. And Ava, our latest member of the school, becoming 5 years of age. Wishing you a very happy birthday to all 3 of you. Enjoy your weekends and we hope you get spoilt rotten. Just another thank you for today for dressing up in your pyjamas and for bringing donations for Pudsey. As I said earlier, we will make sure we pass all those donations on to the charity just as soon as we possibly can. Now, one of the things that's really important to us at the moment is to try and keep as many things as possible the same for the children in the school. And as I mentioned earlier, it's just 42 sleeps now until the big day. We're quickly planning to make sure as many events as possible can go ahead safely. We'll be writing to you very shortly with information about class parties, the Key Stage 1 nativity, Santa's visit and many other things that will be taking place between now and the end of the year. As we come towards the end of the assembly now, just a quick reminder to please do check your parent mails regularly. And again, just reminders here of how you can keep in touch with the school and the many things that are going on, how you can communicate with us and the main ways that we communicate with you over this time. Thank you for joining us today. It's so good to celebrate the excellence of our children and we look forward to joining you again next week as we celebrate even more incredible children at our school. Take care and have a great weekend. Thanks, Lynn. Bye-bye.